again, and you should have now watched the Match of the Day starter. And now we're moving on to our Maths Talk main input. Okay, so we've got this word problem. A locksmith charges £32 call-out charge and £15 per hour. The locksmith decides to reduce his call-out by 25% and increase the hourly charge by 20%. The locksmith charges by the half hour. After what period of time will the locksmith earn more than the new charges? Okay, so what do we have to do? Well, we know for a fact, let's pick out the information that we know. His £32 call-out fee, that's how much he charges even for just turning up. Then he's got £15 per hour we know about. We know then that he wants to decrease his call-out charge by 25% and increase his per hour fee by 20%. So who can help me with this bar? If we know it's £32, how is it going to be reduced? What reduced by what? Yes.
I know that 25 times 4 is 100%. So I divide £32 by 4, which will give me £8.
So £32 divided by 4. Okay, you know that because you've got your whole there and you're dividing it into 4 parts. This here being 1/4. Got £0, we've got £32 into a whole. So each part is worth £8. Okay, so we're going to do our £32 and we're going to subtract £8, which gives us a new fee of
£24.
£24. Okay, let's look at his hourly rate. So it was originally £15, we've got to find 20% of 15. How do we do that? Yes?
So what I did was, I knew 20 times 5 was 100, so I did 15 divided by 5, which equals 3 pounds.
Yeah.
And then after that I did 15 add 3 pounds, 15 pounds add 3 pounds, because I know that you need to add another 3 pounds because it said he's increasing it by 20%.
Because the key thing is he's increasing it here. Remember here we were subtracting, absolutely, well done. So the total would be, the new total, £18 per hour. So this whole, if it was £15, we are looking at dividing it into fifths. Each part would be worth £3. Okay, excellent. So now we've got our new charges. The next part of the question, we're then going to be looking at comparing. So over on here, we've got a table. So you can see we've got our old call-out rate. So we've got for half an hour, we've had to calculate what £15 would be divided by 2, because what percentage would that be? Is a percentage half? 50%, thank you. So we're having to halve the £15, which would be £7.50. Okay? So on the old call-out rate, if someone called him out for half an hour's work, you would have the old call-out rate, £32. You would then have the £7.50, and then you would add those two together. They would charge you £39.50. For a whole hour, you would still charge £32 call-out, but the rate would be £15 for the whole hour, so the total would be £47. In the table down here, we're going to fill this in now. So for the new call-out rate, we've just calculated it. So what would the new call-out rate be? It is a reduced rate of
£18 per hour.
the call-out.
Oh, £24.
£24. Now remember that fee would be the same whether you have him for an hour or 4 hours, it's still the same flat rate. Okay, then the new rate for the, now we have here, for the hour, so we've got the new rate which was £15 plus 3, which was
18.
£18, so that's for the 1 hour, £18. So what's the half an hour? Yeah?
£9.
£9. Sorry, that's not very clear. Okay, so let's total those up then. So for half an hour, total cost would be,
Wouldn't it be £33?
yeah? Okay, and for the 1 hour, the total would be,
Would that be 42?
Yeah.
it would be 42. Well done. Okay, so now we've got to compare after what period of time will the locksmith earn more than the new charges. So for this, you've got to look at what he would earn. So this is what he would earn for half an hour's work, £39.50 in the old pricing, whereas now he's only earning 33. For 1 hour, he's earning 47. This time he's only working 42. So now it's up to you to see how many hours, more hours he's got to work before he would then earn more money than the original rate. So if we know this is for 1 hour, how much would he earn after 2 hours? Yes? That's for 1 hour. What have you got to do?
84.
84, so you've doubled it. Well done. So if I write 2 hours, £84. Okay. Whereas, what if we doubled this one? Yeah.
That would be 94.
£94. So that tells us that for 2 hours, for doubling it, he's now earning still less than he would have done. So this is your trick. So you're going to have to look forward and see how, when that starts to break even and become more, greater than that. Okay? So we can do that next in our lesson in your own time. Okay, now for our follow-up task. You are going to do a quick decimals, percentages, and fractions quiz. So you've got this task, you're just testing yourself how quickly you can solve these problems. Okay, so you're going to time yourself on that. You can do this more than once if you like, and see if you can increase your score or increase your accuracy. Okay, so that's your next task. When you've completed that task, then you're going to do our special challenges, where we've got our Chili 1, Chili 2 or Chili 3 challenges. These are the enrich challenges, so you've got to match up the representations of the decimals, the fractions and the percentages. There is this game online, so you can look at this online using the link. Okay, so have fun today using this word. Okay, brilliant.